Immigrants came from Europe with existing construction principles that suited their land, climate, and lifestyle. Terrace houses, common in Sydney and Melbourne, are an example of this building type. The narrow floor plan and vertical circulation is a response to the urban planning and density of a city. The external walls are solid brick, often suffering from rising damp. Shared walls with the neighbours restrict light from entering from the sides, making the internal spaces darker. A common aesthetic that is different with an Australian terrace house is the cast iron filigree ornament resembling the native flora. This was one of the first notable adaptations from the typical terrace house from Europe. Simple aesthetic changes became larger construction changes in response to the subtropical climate of Queensland. In stark contrast, construction methods from the conventional Queenslander house have been adapted accordingly to the climate and urban conditions. The larger block size allowed for a larger house to be built with no need for additional stories built above. Wide verandas provided protection from the summer sun with wide double-hung doors opening outwards. The pier floor construction gives the building flexibility of being built on a variety of terrains. The building can be naturally ventilated to cool the building during the hot summer months. The terrace house is a predetermined design brought from Europe, performing as a parochial solution, but with a developed understanding of the Australian climate became a piece of vernacular architecture performing in harmony with the climate and its context.